Welcome ulit sa ating Nelson Bay episode series, no? At yun nga, yun, breakfast kami ngayon sa Sunday morning. At ito yung breakfast namin. Nagluto ko ng bacon, egg, at gumawa ko ng burger namin. At merong kape para sa amin ni Ami. At ito naman kanjian, itong Ribena juice. So mamaya mga kabisdak, second day namin dito sa Nelson Bay. Wala kaming plano na yung pumunta sa maraming lugar kasi pag gagawin namin yan, hindi kami marirelax, mapapagod lang kami. Yung purpose namin sa pagpunta ngayon is ano lang talaga, yung magpahinga, i-unwind yung ano, yung mind namin para ma-refresh. And then pupunta lang kami sa beach. Punta kami sa beach mamaya mga alas 2 ng hapon. Kasi ano ngayon din, rainy. And then mamayang alas 2 pero sunny na mamayang hapon after lunch. Then doon kami kakain sa labas, pero yun lang, chill lang. And then bukas na namin i-meet si Inigo tsaka si Kuya Robby. Yes, sunny, it's sunny. Woo! Very sunny mga kabisdak. Let's play chess. Let's play chess. Okay.
Who going to win, guys? Me or Daddy?
I think it's Daddy.
No, me.
Now let's see.
No, me.
Okay, you set up first.
Subscribe me. Checking. I know you all your tricks.
You know all my tricks? I don't think so.
Move, Daddy.
Horse, go out there, horse. Yeah, Daddy lost. GN won. Now it's GN versus Mama.
You're going to lose. I will be the king.
Now it's GN versus Mama. Okay, let's see.
Daddy, when I get 2 points,
Yeah.
and I will be the boss, and both of you have to defeat me.
Okay, let's see.
Mama and Daddy have to team up, and Gian have to team up by himself.
Okay, let's see. Okay, Mama, you fight with GN.
Okay.
Bread. The winner drinks Yakult, and the loser eat bread.
I'm the winner and Mama loser. Can I eat Yakult?
I drink Yakult? Yeah.
But why are you eating bread? Bread for the loser.
Yeah, bread for the loser.
Why you are eating bread?
Because I lose. Ilabas ko muna yung para sa lunch namin mga bisdak. Sayang ngayon na nilagay ni Ami sa freezer na frozen tuloy. Yung salmon, ito salmon, binili ko to. So ito yung lunch namin, tsaka merong steak, beef steak. So sakto kasi si Gian mahilig din kumain ng salmon fish. Babe, nag-coffee na ka? You want more coffee or no? Si okay eh? Sige.
Aparay ko.
Ako na lang. Ako hindi ko pwede mag-coffee. Pwede siguro isa lang. Hindi ako pinapinom ng coke ni Ami kasi natakot siya sa ano. Baka sumakit daw yung tiyan ko kagaya last time. So yung ginawa nga niya, dinala niya lahat ng tambal yung sa acidic, sa efficacent. Kasi natakot siya, sabi niya wala pa naman tayong kasama, baka sumakit yung tiyan mo. Wala daw madadala sa hospital. So hindi ako nakainom ng coke this whole trip. Hindi ba?
Thank you.
I'm going to climb up by myself.
Climb by yourself, okay. Let's see. That's a difficult one because you don't have anything to hold on the other side. Let's see. I think that's a difficult one. Let's see. Neighbors are here. There's no neighbors. Oh! Good job. Can you turn on the light? Thank you. Wow, good job. Give me 5.
How many times was how long was that?
10 seconds. Look at here. Look at Daddy.
Look here.
Yeah, there's a birdie in your head. Hi, birdie. Trained bird siguro sa lagot, no? What's that, na? Good job. Very good. Very good. No, they only like Gian. They only like Gian.
That went in my head.
It got captured in the video.
Siguro mo rin magsag.
Maybe they think this is a nest, bird's nest.
Why they always like me?
Yeah, because you're super cute.
Another one.
Come on.
Another one.
Pet him. Ganang, muso sa. Isirado ba kayo?
Wow, you got a bird.
Wow.
Friendly yung mga bird rin, no?
Mga ibong adar na here. Come here. man.
I found something pumpkin.
Pumpkin. That's not a pumpkin.
Yeah.
But what kind of fruit is this? Let's see.
No, it's not the food.
No, that's yeah, I don't know.
It's
But
a little one.
I-
Mama, I found a little pumpkin. He's right over here. There's so many
come
of
on,
them.
careful. Someone is like a cleaner for the accommodation. That's one.
Yan ang purple ba?
This flower.
Ikutan ka dito.
Diba? Asa raman na. Asa raman na siya mauturo. Sige, asa mauturo.
Murag mga container van, no? Nga gipatong ra ba?
Ano po daw ko dito?
So, nag-walking lang kami dito, mabisa kasama sila si Amid siya para makita din nila yung buong park.
Daddy, this how you feel. Pew, 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 pew.
For example, we will only stay in this one, powered site. We have our own trailer. So, ito yung ano nila. Ang kuryente ba? Electric. So, you will have your own, see? Electricity over there.
I'm shooting this.
Nindot kaya ba?
Maybe it's gone.
Mga tiguang nagstay there.
Mama,
Parelax.
parrot.
Parelax sa mga tiguang.
Sila po sa madisi.
Wala naman siya balay nga.
Basig din higit ni.
Okay na hindi eh. Nag-rent na siya. Forward site na. Connection. Pero dako na kayo. So ito yun mga kabisdak as shared common barbecue station nila. Ay, come. Shared barbecue station nila ba? Electric. Galang dyan. So, oops. Alright. Sorry. Oops. Laglag na naman. Sorry. Ha? Here. Come on guys. Here. Grabe yung amis daw. Tingnan nyo to. Ang laki. Laki ng trailer. Extendable din yan ba? Yan o. May extend. Pwede siya extend sa side. Grabe ha. Dakwa eh. Sobrang laki. Pero hindi na ako komportable mag-drive ng ganito.
Out.
Yeah, and then...
Oh.
Okay, hey, put.
It's not out of water.
Okay, come on, put. Diyan, put.
Okay, full.
Come here. Let's go in front. Punta tayo sa beach mga kabisdak. Tingnan natin yung beach sa front. Jetty. Jetty. Yun yung entrance dyan mga kabisdak. Reception ba?
I didn't know GB was a mountain.
Jetty.
What jetty?
There in front. So,
Like a baby?
ito yung kabilang side ng park, beach.
Mama,
Let's go, guys.
this is a baby, but how long is
So ito pala yung name ng park mga kabisdak. Kung saan kami nakastay, no? Halifax
No.
Holiday
Wearing your kuan.
Park.
Natong boating dito.
Asan? Babe, siguro murag mas dili siya boundary, but let's have a look. Tingali pwede.
On the other side, no?
Ari na lang siguro maligo kung hindi siya hindi masyadong wavy.
Tapos kantalan, no?
Naday restaurant babe kana, restaurant na babe. Ingon tong sa reception. Bites on the bay. Ano tindahan? Tindahan pala to dito. So ito yung front side ng area na to mga bisdak. So ito yung Little Beach, ito yung pangalan nito. Little Beach. May mga bata yun. Pwede na diyan. Ari na lang tabi o niya babe kung saan dia. No? Kaya mara magkanang laom dito. We're gonna swim over there later, Gian. Man, it's not cold. It's not hot yet. Ito. Ari na lang ta.
Ooh, Mama, look at my feet.
Mas safe ang
Katapi ka kay mura magkuan.
yeah, we're gonna swim here later, Gian. We're gonna go over there. Let's see what fish they got. So napakaganda mga kabisdak, no? Kasi yung kahapon na pinuntahan namin sa kabilang side yun, yung malapit sa unit namin. So ito yung sa harap. Pero ito yung parang sikat. Kaya nag-speedboat dito yun. Little Beach. Parang siya Little Beach. Come on guys, here. Doon tayo. Look at that view over there ba. Mas nindot din no? Kasi sa side, the other side ba. We're gonna swim here later if it's sunny. Look at that view, guys. Grabe. Hi, ka-relax. Maragin nag-lockout na diri. We don't need to go anywhere, no? Relax lagi diri ba?
I got something for you. Daddy, can I put the water out?
Tingnan na kinayos daw. Is it cold? The water, guys?
Can I try?
Is it cold?
No,
Is it cold?
Can I try?
Is it cold? Ah! Pag na. Ah! It's cold. It's freezing.
Don't wet your pants ha, kay gamay na makagpants.
Okay.
Don't wet your pants. Careful. Okay, you put water in your gun. Come here. We're gonna swim. So, ayun doon si Ami Ozak. Umuwi na para kumuha ng pang swimming namin ni Gian.
Where's
then-
Mama?
We're gonna get, wait babe! Dara ko sleeveless! Sleeveless! Okay, come on. So, magsiswimming kami ni Gian. So, babalik siya dun sa... Mama will get our swimming shirt.
And me?
We're gonna stay here, we're gonna swim. And for you.
Me?
Yeah, she will get the swimming shirt also. Come here. Well, oh, look at that, Gian. Woo!
See guys, that's how you make magic. That's how you make.
Sayang mga bisdak, paubos na yung battery nitong GoPro, 10% na lang, kaya okay din para ma-enjoy ko muna yung moment dito. Kasi napakaganda ng dagat mga bisdak, sakto lang sa maliligo ako. Ang sarap sa ano, Zach, very refreshing ba? Alam mo yung sanay kami dun sa city na napaka-busy lagi sa city, ang daming tao, ang daming building, sasakyan, traffic.
Wow. Gian, show Mama your moves. Gian. Oh, Mama. Yay. Tag mo sa anin, ano? Yeah. Ready, just let go.